Hello everyone, welcome to math classes. Let's solve some typical problems in arithmetic progression. Questions 14, 15, 16, exercise 5.2, chapter arithmetic progressions, class 10 NCERT maths. The question is, how many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 50? We should find the number of multiples, the count of multiples of 4 between the numbers 10 and 50. Let's solve the problem. So they are given the numbers between 10, 11 and so on to 50. Between these numbers we should find the multiples of 4. First let's find the first multiple of 4 after the number 10. 10 is not multiple of 4. 11 is not multiple. The next number is 12. So the next number is 12. The first number between 10 and 250, which is multiple of 4. What did we get? We got 12. Then if first number is 12, what will be the next number? Just add 4. Multiples, that means the difference will be 4. After 12, 4 3 is a 12, 4 4 is a 16. After 16 you get 20 and so on. And they are asking between 10 and 250. So the last number given is 250. So is 250 divisible by 4? 250, is it divisible by 4? What is the divisibility rule of 4? Last two digits should be divisible by 4. Then the entire number will be divisible by 4. Is 50 divisible? Let's see. 4 ones are 4. You get 10. 4 twos are 8. So you are left with 2. 2 will be the remainder. So 250 is not divisible. 249. Let's check. Let's just check last two digits. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 1 is a remainder. So 249 is also not divisible. 248 is a before number. 48. Just check last two digits. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. Remainder is 0. That means this number 248 is divisible by 4. So the last number between 10 and 250, which is multiple of 4. That means the number is divisible by 4 is 248. So our arithmetic progression is what? AP is 12, 16, 20 and so on 248. Here the first term is what? First term you can call it as A or A1, that is 12, and the last term is AN, nth term is 248. And they are asking how many multiples of 4 are there. They are not asking the nth term, but they are asking how many multiples are there between 10 and 250. That means you should find the value of n. Number of terms you should find in this. And common difference, you can find the common difference between consecutive terms. Common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1, that is second term minus first term. So 16 minus 12, we get 4. Now, how can we find n? We know the formula. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. If we substitute, we get An means nth term. We know it is 248. 248 is equal to A is 12 plus n. We don't know the value of n. N minus 1 into common difference is 4. 248 plus 12 is on right side of the equation. If it comes left side, it will become minus 12. N minus 1 into 4. That means 4n minus 4. 248 minus 12. 248 minus 10 is 238. Minus 2 you get 236. This minus 4 is on right side. If it goes to left side, it will become plus 4. It's equal to 4. And 236 plus 4, 240 is equal to 4n. 4 ones are 4 6 is 24, 60. That means the value of n is 60. That means the answer is there are 60 multiples of 4 between 10 and 150. There are 60 multiples of 4 between the numbers 10 and 250. This is the answer. Next question. For what value of n are the nth terms of two APs 63, 65, 67 and so on and 3, 10, 17 are equal? They are telling for what value of n the nth terms of two APs are equal. Let's find the nth term first. The first AP given is what? 63, 65, 67 and so on. And the second arithmetic progression they have given is 3, 10, 17 and so on. In these two cases, let's find the nth terms first. What is the formula for an? An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So, let's find the nth term. In the first AP, an is equal to what do you get? First term is a is the first term of the arithmetic progression plus n minus 1 into common difference. Common difference d is difference between consecutive terms. So you get 65 minus 3, that is 2. So difference is 2, common difference. So you get 63 plus 2n minus 2. 63 minus 2 is 61 plus 2n. This is the nth term of first arithmetic progression. Next, in the second arithmetic progression, let's see, this is bn is equal to b plus n minus 1 into common difference d. This is the first term b or b1, b2, b3 and so on. Okay, now what is the common difference in the second case? Common difference d is what? Difference between consecutive terms. So 10 minus 3, that is 7. So bn, that is the nth term, is equal to b, that is the first term 3 plus n minus 1 into common difference is 7. So you get 3 plus 7n minus 7. 3 minus 7 is minus 4 plus 7n. We got the nth term in both cases. They are telling for what values of n, the nth terms will be equal. They are telling this nth terms should be equal. But we should find for which term of n. So let's make them equal first. So what do we get? an is equal to bn. They have given this. But we should find the value of n. That's it. So, 61 plus 2n is equal to minus 4 plus 7n. So, you get what? 2n, this 7n, if it comes to left side, it will become minus 7n is equal to minus 4. This 61, if it goes to right side, it will become minus 61. Minus 7n plus 2n, minus 5n is equal to minus 65. Minus gets cancelled on both sides. N is equal to 65 divided by 5. That means 5 ones, 5 threes. So, we got the value of n as 13. That means for n is equal to 13, both an and bn will be equal. That means nth terms in both arithmetic progression will be equal. So n is equal to 13. This is the answer. Determine the AP whose third term is 16 and seventh term exceeds fifth term by 12. So we need to find the arithmetic progression here. They have given the third term of the arithmetic progression as 16 and they are telling seventh term exceeds fifth term by 12. That means difference between seventh term and fifth term is 12. Let's find the arithmetic progression. They have given third term of arithmetic progression, that is a3 is equal to 16. That means what? a3 is equal to 16. What do we know the formula of nth term? an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So third term a3 is equal to what? A plus. Here we are finding third term. That means n is equal to 3. 3 minus 1 into D. They have given the third term as what? 16. So 16 is equal to A plus 3 minus 1 is 2. 2D. 16 is equal to A plus 2D. This is the first equation. They are telling seventh term exceeds fifth term by 12. That means seventh term is equal to fifth term plus 12, or you can tell the difference between seventh term and fifth term is 12. So we can use the same formula to find A7, that is A plus seventh term. So n will be 7. 7 minus 1 into D minus A5, that is A plus 5 minus 1 into D, that is equal to 12. A plus 7 minus 1 is 6. 6D minus A plus 4D is equal to 12. So A plus 6D minus A minus 4D is equal to 12. Plus A minus A gets cancelled. 6D minus 4D is 2D. 2D is equal to 12. That means D is equal to 12 by 2. D is equal to 6. We got the value of common difference, that is D is equal to 6. So we have first equation here. If we substitute the value of D in the first equation, you get first equation is 16 is equal to A plus 2D, that is 16 is equal to A plus 2 into 6. You got common difference value as 6. 16 is equal to A plus 12. That means 16 minus 12 is equal to A. That means A is equal to 4. Now we got the first term of the arithmetic progression. A is equal to 4. Yes, we know the general form of arithmetic progression. General form of arithmetic progression is what? First term is A. Second term will be A plus D. Third term will be A plus 2D. Fourth term will be A plus 3D and so on. So first term is A, that is 4. Next you get 4 plus D. D is what? 6 plus 4 plus 2 into D. So 2 into 6, comma A plus 3D. A is 4. So 4 plus 3 into 6 and so on. So the arithmetic progression is 4, 6 plus 4 is 10, 6 2 is 12, 12 plus 4 is 16, 6 3 is 18, 18 plus 4 is 22 and so on. This is the arithmetic progression 4, 10, 16, 22 and so on. Thank you for watching the video. Like, share and subscribe.